If you like adventure and if you like fun, I want to show you some of the coolest places in Oregon. But I want to show you in the most real way that I can. Hi, I'm Gage, and I want to share with you the coolest places I've been to in Oregon, and the stories that go along with them. Now, if you've been to any neat places in Oregon, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Before I show you the absolutely magical hike and the watering hole that's called Blue Pool, we gotta do some prep work. Now, our journey starts at a simple laundromat in Grants Pass, Oregon. Let's go there now. It's not the most glamorous thing, but I met some very kind people that were willing to help me while I was there. I had a homeless woman offer to buy me detergent because the dispenser was broken. A kind woman jamming out to tunes offered to give her own supplies without a question to the both of us, and she was very generous. The small-time vibe is great and all, but I actually came to Oregon for some outdoor adventure. Today, we're going to Tamolitch Falls, also known as Blue Pool. To get to Blue Pool, my friend and I hiked just over 2 miles on a very nicely maintained trail that weaved close to a river. At the end of the hike, there's a nice overlook of the Blue Pool. But if you want to actually get down into the water to swim, you can either dive from about 80 feet or you can take the long route. We chose the latter. Do it. I gotta tell you, this was the coldest water that I've ever swam in. Once we started getting used to the absolutely bone-chilling water, we started diving off cliff faces, and we also talked some fellow travelers into doing the same. When we were hiking on our way back, we ran into some younger dudes.
If you can jump like an X out the aircraft on standby.
And we talked them into jumping off the highest point.
Jump right there. There's an outcropping out here to the left you can swim to.
I may have told them that the water was nice and warm.
Oh yeah.
Alright, well, that was our trip to Blue Pool. If you like this video, go ahead and gently touch on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and just caress that subscribe button for me. Just absolutely caress it. Well, hope to see you on the next one.